Hi there, students. Close run. Okay, this is an adjective. Um, if a race is close won, then the margin that somebody won by is very, very small. Yeah, you something that is decided by a very small distance or a very small number of points or a very small number of votes. So a close run competition, a close run contest, a close run decision, a close run race, a close run election. Yeah, very often we use the phrase "it was a close run thing." Yeah, so that match, it was a very close run thing. It came right down to the wire. Yeah, we had to wait for a few minutes to discover who the winner was going to be. Yeah, a close run election would be where one party gets just a few more votes than the other. Yeah, normally in those cases you get recounts followed by recounts followed by recounts. Count it again. Um, the match between these two teams was a very close run thing. Yeah, it was a very close run race for the premiership. Okay, so if something is close run, yeah, the runners are, or the contenders are very close to each other. Maybe the leading contenders. So you mean by this close run, you mean that something was won or lost by a very small margin. Yeah. Okay, so close run. It it's right down to the last moment where we actually discover who is going to win. Okay, so yeah, I got the job, but it was a very close run thing. Yeah, it's something you achieve only by a small margin. Um, I managed to finish my essay by the deadline, but it was a very close run thing. Yeah, I nearly failed to do it. Yeah, so you can use this. You are very close to the limit. Um, okay, so yes, there were many people bidding in this tender process, and it was a very close run thing. But finally, we got it. Yeah, so it was very close. Particularly this phrase, "a close run thing." It's decided by a very small margin. Yeah, the outcome of this is going to be a very close thing. Yeah, it was a close run thing. Um, I almost missed my plane. It was a close run thing. If I'd arrived a minute later, then I would have missed my plane. Yeah, so a close run thing is something that almost you miss, that you almost don't succeed, but you finally do succeed. Um, I thought I wasn't going to pass my exam, but I did, and clearly it was a close run thing. I got 51% in my exam. So, yeah, it was definitely very close run. Okay, so um, somebody could come a close second, a close run second. Yeah. So yeah, the contenders in this race, they're all neck and neck. They're all very close together. I thought I was going to run out of time in the exam, uh, but I finally managed to do it. But it was a very close run thing. I almost didn't have enough time. Okay, so something that's close run, it nearly doesn't happen. You're nearly not successful. Yeah, it comes down to the last moments to discover what the final result will be. So formality, close run. I'm going to give it, I think, a 4.5. Use it informal conversation, semi-formal conversation, semi-formal writing, but stop there. And then the running of a race, the running of a contest. Yeah, I had the idea of a horse race, and it's very close. The runners are very close. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Close run, a close run thing.